And straight after that, we've got Poppy. If you haven't seen Poppy's channel, go and check him out too. He's good for a chat, he's fun, and he makes cool stuff. And straight after that, we've got Poppy. If you haven't seen Poppy's channel, go and check him out too. He's good for a chat, he's fun, and he makes cool stuff.
Hey gang, Poppy here in the computer room. I want to have good light and clean surroundings for this. Look at that. $60-piece set, high-speed steel, chucking reamers, number 1 to 60. Poppy got his number reamers. I bought them from Shards for $218. Tax and shipping out the door. I love Shards. It's oh yes. Yeah. Let's look inside. Look at that. Plastic wrapped. It slid off. I didn't have to stab it. Well, I'll throw it on the floor. Couple of, no, 1, 2, 3 pieces of foam between the reamers. Look at that. I'll keep these over here. And looky here. Shaped foam insert. For the reamers. They're not banging all around and coming out of their slots. Or I should say their holes. Oh, those are absolutely gorgeous, aren't they? Now let me tell you the importance of number reamers to mini machining. You want an accurately sized round hole, and it's somewhere between here. Yeah, that's the number 60. There we go. Or here, number 1. Oh, that is beautiful. Okay, now, why number reamers? I got number drills. That's good enough. Ever notice them number drills leave a Wankel rotor, 3-sided with, yeah, a Wankel rotor shaped hole? Now with number reamers, baby cakes, you want an accurate sized round hole and a small. Are you going to try and bore a 93 thousandths diameter hole, say an inch deep? Post the video to YouTube. I want to see that. Otherwise, Number Reamers baby cakes. And hey, more is coming. More is coming. We're actually going to get out in the shop and work with them.